Silvertown Station was situated on the North Woolwich Branch of the North London line. This is how it looked in 1990. Looking west from Silvertown Station, in the distance you can see Connaught Tunnel, which took the North London line underneath the Royal Docks. The lines on the left led to what was known locally as the Silvertown Tramway. Looking east towards North Woolwich. The tramway served the numerous factories that sprang up along the banks of the river, close to the Royal Docks. By the 1980s, most of the tramway had lost its freight traffic and had fallen into disuse. Just beyond Silvertown Station was this level crossing. This led onto the tramway itself. The last regular freight flow to move over the tramway was scrap metal. This originated from the Ward Ferrous Metals Ltd. This scrapyard closed in 1991, so bringing to an end freight movements through Silvertown. Here you can see an industrial shunter parked close to the entrance to the scrapyard site. By 1990, nature had begun to reclaim what was left of the tramway. The North Woolwich branch of the North London line closed entirely in 2006, and along with it so did Silvertown Station. The track bed has now been reclaimed and will form part of the Crossrail project. This section of the Elizabeth line will eventually run to Abbey Wood via a new tunnel underneath the Thames. The Connaught Tunnel is also being refurbished and will carry the Elizabeth line underneath the Royal Docks just like it did the North London line. Even though the railway crossing is long gone, this sign still remains. The track bed of the former Silvertown Tramway now forms a cycle path and footpath. A few small fragments of the original tramway can still be found in the area. As you can see, the new Elizabeth line is flanked by high concrete walls on both sides.